kailangan po sa loob ng 24 oras ay makapagpaliwanag kayo. Kalagay po dito. In writing under oath within 24 hours. You have to explain. So, anong oras po ngayon? 9:15. Ito po ay sa GSW 1718, Xfinity OPC. Tama yung address. Show cause. In view of the inspection conducted on March 7, 2026, pursuant to Special Assignment Number SA 2026-03-022, dated March 6, 2026, nakita po, it was determined that your establishment ay hindi sumunod, failed to comply with the advisory ng abiso dated March 6, 2026, issued by the Department of Energy on compliance with fuel pricing and loading policies, which provides the following directives. Nakalagay po sa direktiba, accordingly, all oil companies are hereby mandated, inuutusan, to direct their company-owned and dealer-owned gasoline stations to strictly comply with the following measures. Number 1, compliance with the price directive on petroleum products. 1.1, all gasoline stations must strictly comply with the price directive, including any staggered price adjustments as mandated by the Secretary of Energy. And 1.2, all gasoline stations shall not be allowed to prematurely implement any price increase, commit any form of profiteering, or assist in the commission of the same. So yun po yung base ng inspection. Ito po yung nakita natin, yung pagtaas ng diesel from 49.76 naging 71. So yun lamang po. Kailangan lang po ipareceive lang po namin. Ito na po yung original nyo.
Kuya, panig ko lang, bakit kayo nagtaas? Wala pa naman yung Tuesday. Ano nangyari?
Bali, nung araw pong yun, mataas po yung kuha ng amo namin po eh. Pero yung pagtaas po niyan, hindi po namin alam. Yung inuutosan lang po kami ng amo namin.
Okay.